Hello, Summer Sky. This is Mike Fortner. I'm replying to your question in the discussion. Now, I'm sorry I didn't get to it yesterday, but actually I didn't see it. So it's just one of those things about getting old, I guess. But yes, to answer your question, as I did in that text here, friction of any sort will affect speed and velocity. We gave a little example of that in one dimension, which probably wasn't too clear, but we were just introducing the idea of units and Newton's laws and things. And I spoke a little bit about how if you had friction in one dimension, you might decrease the velocity caused by a certain force. And that's true. That's what basically would happen. It can get pretty complicated in a two-dimensional motion or projectile motion or something like that. Example might be, I don't know if you're a baseball fan or been to a baseball game, or maybe when you were a kid you played baseball. But if you ever saw a pop fly baseball that was hit by a batter, went up really high, but it went really high into a strong headwind, then the trajectory of the ball would be dramatically reduced because the ball is traveling into the wind, so it's going to have more drag on it. Conversely, if there's a wind from the direction of the batter, it might go a little bit further. So it could be a difference on a given day between, a base hit and a home run. Also, in projectile motion, back and stay in baseball for a minute. That's basically how curveballs work. Curveballs are affected by the spin of the ball and causing drag in a certain direction, which will cause the ball to change direction slightly, and that's when you get a curveball. Also, projectiles like like a bullet. If you fire a bullet from a rifle or a pistol, things that will affect velocity and speed come from the direction of the air traveling on it. And also, when you have a bullet fired from any kind of weapon, if it's a real bullet and it's spinning, if it has rifling on the bullet and it's spinning, that rifling will supply a little bit of lift on that, just due to the nature of the rifling. I hope that helps and doesn't confuse anything. If you have any further questions about that, just give me a text or an email, but text is quicker. Have a really good day, and I wouldn't mind seeing you in the Zoom session tonight. We'll always use an audience there.